The EMA 50 generally is at present at $0.001 in an unobtrusive manner. The $0.0007469 support level for SPEL United States dollar sort of is truly areas of strength for really a sort of significant way. SPEL United States dollar especially is defied with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bears control SPEL's sort of current cost activities in a genuinely enormous manner. 13 July 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through basically SPEL in every practical sense, token cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these regularly truly got clarification on some pressing issues facts. What generally is exceptionally transient cost expectation for generally SPEL token in every practical sense is really SPEL an excellent interest in an essentially enormous manner. SPEL essentially token help and obstruction levels and so on, or so they sort of thought. Yet prior to jumping essentially profound into the SPEL specialized examination, truly let us sort of discuss the for the most part current economic situations, which by and large is genuinely huge. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,190,985,483,416. So market investigation, over the absolute last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,190,985,483,416. Kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking, the really all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $31,315,169,849. Exhibiting that the EMA 50, in a real sense, is at present at $0.001 in a kind of huge manner. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, fundamentally further appearance. How in every way that really matters. SPEL certainly token help and obstruction levels and so forth, which essentially is genuinely huge, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29% in a very large manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of 0.24%. Coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours. Pretty further appearance how bears control SPEL's truly current cost activities, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP by and large, is up by 0.1 and at present, exchanging at 47 cents in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which for the most part is very critical. These occasions in a real sense show that the market certainly is going in an extremely descending bearing for sort of transient in a genuinely large manner. As of now, a sort of broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an especially large manner. SPEL pretty symbolic help and obstruction backing in opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally distinguish pretty key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path. So sort of SPEL genuinely token help and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to recognize sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers especially become sort of more truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value reduction of 0.24%. Coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours. Extremely further appearance how bears control SPELs in every practical sense, current cost activities in an exceptionally huge way. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors really become move commonly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Sort of additional appearance. How which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29%, which sort of is genuinely critical. Following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of fundamentally spell certainly token. Certainly token execution. The cost of most certainly spell kind of token. Spell in every way that really matters is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week, showing how spell United States dollar by and large is faced with opposition level of R1 at $0.0009690, which most certainly is very critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while essentially absolute market cap came to 89,992,626 United States dollars, or so they truly thought. There generally are practically 103,446,920,678 for the most part are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, showing how the EMA 50 basically is presently at $0.001 in a genuinely significant manner. Spell certainly token value examination spell cost investigation for 13 July 2023, insight and in every way that really matters, day-to-day time span, made sense of underneath, fundamentally further appearance, how spell United States dollar generally is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690 in an unpretentious manner. We utilize really relative strength INDEXRSI moving in every practical sense, normal assembly and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including fundamentally straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA to all things considered. Examine the future development of the spell token, which by and large shows that especially spell truly token help and opposition backing and opposition, especially are significant specialized markers, used to especially recognize especially key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route. So for the most part spell certainly token help and obstruction backing and obstruction, essentially are significant specialized pointers, used to fundamentally distinguish commonly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. While spell's Williams %R pointer generally is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, exceptionally signal in a real sense, is essentially conceivable at this reach, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The spell United States dollar moving kind of normal union and uniqueness, MACD, pointer,